Changzhou Fangsheng Auto Parts Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer of seat belts located in Changzhou, Jiangsu, China. The company has an independent technical design team and mainly produces ALR and ELR safety seat belt, which are widely used in various types of vehicle seats, such as coaches, school buses, special vehicles, off-road UTVs, side-by-side vehicles. The company has 4 production lines and 2 pre-assembly lines, with a total daily output of various seat belts reaching 4,000 units. Seat belt quality is crucial for safety, so we strictly follow automotive industry standards. We've developed a strict quality management plan, passing ISO 9001 to 2015 audits, ensuring compliance with market regulations like ECE Rule 16, FMVSS 209, SAEJ 386, and more through internal testing and third-party certification. Welcome inquiry and sincerely thank you.